I'm here with Dave Richardson of NCI. Industry is going. Hey, Dave.
Hey.
Changing the most in the next 5
Our industry's always been about the long game. There's a lot of stuff that's coming together and almost really raising the bar to where those that don't raise are going to become obsolete. And that's how they're getting their measurements, how they're combining HVAC performance and home performance. Those will be the
latest and greatest things that MeasureQuick has coming up. Take it away, Joe.
All right, so many of you may be aware that we actually combined many of our workflows with ACCA. And so we now have several different ACCA workflows, cooling and heating, and determine what's going on with the system, and then actually go to a much more in-depth process with what MeasureQuick does. Other things like,
hello, which this would go on, it'll come out the back, but we do have a cover freeze that we're trying to dehumidify, so we can really get a good
efficiency and fantastic installs to their customers and deliver the best possible service, which everyone's committed to. So.
Of that camera, and then push it again. Push it once.